You know, as the world goes more and more digital, families without internet are being left behind. In Mecklenburg County, 14% of households still don't have internet access. You might remember that Mayor Vi Lyles announced last month the Racial Equity Initiative Plan, and that's set to allocate $58 million to bridge this digital gap. Our Indira Esquiva spoke to a family who doesn't have reliable internet connection. She joins us live in Uptown Charlotte. Indira, you're saying this program, I mean, not a lot of people know about it, but it sounds like it could help.
It could help, and to give you an idea of how it could help, researchers tell me that the #1 reason families in Charlotte don't have internet at home is because they can't afford it. Now, the digital divide has been an issue for years, but the pandemic has highlighted it in a new way.
Whenever I went to look at my bank information to see how much, to transfer some money, I can't get on the internet to even transfer the money.
Andrew Smith says his family struggles doing basic things like paying the bills because of an unreliable internet connection at his home on Rachel Street in North Charlotte. It affects his 4-year-old daughter who is homeschooled, and it's an issue he believes families shouldn't have to deal with.
Especially with the pandemic, I mean, when it comes to your kids' education and you eat, and most people are going to choose their kids' education. So I think that there needs to be another way.
$38 million in public sector dollars.
Bruce Clark with Queen's University has studied the digital divide in Charlotte for years. Since the pandemic shed light on the issue, he's working with Charlotte leaders so local and federal dollars reach communities in need.
If technology is changing everything we do and we as a community are not preparing our residents for that change, then eventually we're going to deal with the pain of not being ready.
Clark says there is help out there for families who can't afford the internet. The Emergency Broadband Benefit gives a $30 subsidy so low-income families could pay for the internet. Unfortunately, only 19% of eligible families in Mecklenburg County are taking advantage of the program.
People need the internet to find jobs, to communicate with their grandchildren, to health care, to everything today requires it. So if you can't afford it, that means you can't fully participate in our society.
The new infrastructure law is also opening up billions of dollars for local communities to use to bring internet access to everyone. Now, Bruce Clark told me that city leaders in Charlotte are already proactively working to make sure that money gets to Charlotte. Live in Uptown, Indira Esquiva, WCNC Charlotte.
Certainly an important problem to solve. Indira, thank you.